The DeHavilland Beaver, an icon of aviation, a favorite among bush pilots and famous for getting almost anything in and out of any airstrip, whether land, snow, or water. Argued to be the best bush plane of all time, the Beaver is still popular, but its 1940s technology is growing old and there has gotta be a way to do something better. That's where we come in. The Big Idea Partners Capstone team at the University of Washington has been working to bring modern technology to the Beaver's legacy and get in and out of the backcountry more affordably, more efficiently, and more accessibly. Hi, I'm Ryan.
Chris.
Sean.
Kyle.
Monty.
Jeff.
Sean.
Patrick.
Dana.
I'm Jason with Big Idea Partners.
And we present to you Project Grizzly. Our unique hybrid electric propulsion system uses one diesel engine in the nose supplemented by two wing-mounted electric motors for just under 700 horsepower at takeoff. Coupled with our double-slotted flaps and leading-edge slats, it is possible to get off the ground in under 200 feet. The batteries provide for over 10 minutes of climb at 2,000 feet per minute, or they can be conserved for your return trip home. Once you've reached a safe altitude above all terrain and obstacles, the electric motors can be shut off and the propellers feathered to cruise on the efficient diesel engine alone, burning just 10 gallons of fuel an hour compared to the Beaver's 22. Diesel fuel is far more available around the world than aviation-grade gasoline, opening more possibilities for mission destinations. As an added bonus, the electric propellers can be pitched to windmill during descent to act as speed brakes or to recharge part or all of your battery. Our aircraft is highly customizable to your mission, with 3 different landing gear options and 4 different cabin configurations. With conceptual design bordering on complete, we are confident that our aircraft can hit and exceed its performance targets while operating more efficiently than aircraft currently on the market. Through textbooks, analysis tools, and modeling, we've developed an aircraft that brings a new take on the concept of hybrid propulsion and stands to reduce operators' fuel costs by a significant margin. Here's to reaching the world one field at a time. Here's to Project Grizzly.